Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change language in our device. So let's get started. So if you want to change your language in your device, then what you can do is just simply open up your settings. After opening up your settings application, now you just have to scroll down, and after scrolling down here you can find the option which is system. So just tap on system, and after tapping on system, now what you can do is just tap on this first option which is languages and input. So after tapping on languages and input, now you can find this first option which is languages. After tapping on that option, now you can find all the languages that are in your device. So now to add a language, what you can do is just simply tap on this plus icon which is add language. After tapping on the plus icon, now you can add any language that you like. So here you can find all the following languages that you can add to your device. So what you can do is just select a specific language that you would like to add. After selecting that language, it will be displayed over here. And now to set this language to your device, what you can do is you will find this toolbar icon beside your language. So what you can do is just simply tap and hold on to that icon, and now you can just drag it all the way up. And after dragging that language all the way up, here you can see you have changed your language. So you just have to drag this language all the way up, so it should be at the top, and after doing that, here you can see guys, you have successfully changed your language. So that's it guys, this is how to change language in your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.